That's one smoky turkey.
Hey everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. This is Thanksgiving Day. We have been having a blast.
Oh, yes.
We're trying to cook a 22-pound turkey.
In a 10-pound oven.
Well,
No, not quite.
we
It
had-
worked. It worked.
Yeah, we had to have a little talk with the turkey. Said, now breathe in, as we tried to squeeze it in under the lid to
Yeah.
get it closed. Here's a picture of it in the smoker, but here's a picture of it out. It's now resting. We are getting ready to go to a party of a lot of people,
Yeah.
and we're taking this turkey over there to share. So it should be a lot of fun. But
Lot
you know
of
what?
food.
We wanted to stop ahead of time. Oh yeah, and we didn't mention your rolls. Ninette's made some.
I had some sourdough rolls so I can have some sandwiches later.
Yeah. So you know, the whole idea of turkey dinner is to be able to have it
a
later.
sandwich later.
Have sandwiches later and everything. So
Leftovers.
she's made the actual rolls we can put the turkey on. So that'll be pretty fun.
That'll be first time.
Yeah, but hey, you know what? We just wanted to just take a little bit of time here just to reflect for just a minute. We have had such a wild summer.
Yeah.
A lot of fun.
Whirlwind.
We are so thankful for
That we made it
everything that we've
back.
been able to do. We have made some major accomplishments through our life, and a lot of people don't have that opportunity to do those things. So we're really happy for those of you that have come along with us. We have now pretty much, I mean, the motorhome has been in every state except for Alaska that it can drive to. But we have been in every state: Alaska, Hawaii, the Virgin Islands, you know, Puerto Rico. We have been everywhere as far as the U.S. is concerned. Yeah. So not everyone gets that opportunity. So we are so thankful we have been able to do that. In addition, we have also gone to all the provinces that we could get to with the motorhome, excluding to the Northwest Territories and the Yukon. There's a couple of ones up there in the ice areas. I'm not sure that we want to go to those, but the motorhome won't go there, and we have not flown into those. So, and I'm not sure that we ever will. But anyway, for those of you that are way up there, we're not going to come see you. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
But hopefully you'll come down to Yuma. So, but we have been very blessed in our lives, and we have an excellent family. We just love our kids. And
their mates.
Their mates that they have, and we have a granddaughter coming here in a couple more months.
Yes.
So that'll be exciting too. So you know,
Waited a long time for
that'll
this.
be our first grandchild
Yes.
for us, and so that'll be pretty exciting. So those things are things that happen throughout our lives, and they're just, and you know, sometimes I think we get caught up into all the things that are going on in the world, and maybe even, you know, in your community or your neighborhoods or your neighbors or your friends. You know, not everything goes perfect all the time, right? But you know, when you really think back on it, there is so much good things that happen, and so many things that we really need to take a time to look at all the good things that are happening in our life, because there's so many of them. They far outweigh the bad things that may have happened or something like that, or stress here and there and things like that. So we've really enjoyed this year.
Yes.
And
7 months traveling.
seven months on the road. We're going to be changing things up a little bit. So I'm not work camping this year, and Ninette's
work camping
been work
double.
camping. Yeah. But
Thanks a lot.
she's retiring from work camping also at the end of this year. So starting January, we're going to be, it'll be all something new. Yeah, we don't know.
We're changing.
We're still really up in the air as to what we're doing next year. We've put so much effort into this last summer that we haven't had time to really, you know, think about this next year. We've still been kind of decompressing. And, you know, we've got the new diesel pusher motorhome.
That he's been working on every day.
I know, and it's
me,
it's
sometimes.
a full-time job, you know, and it just takes a lot out of you. So
it's a lot of
excited.
upgrades.
Yeah, a lot of upgrades.
It goes nice and everything, but it's not like our comfy Beulah. She's been very comfortable. So we're putting everything in the new one that will make it comfortable also.
Yeah. Well, you think about the fact we've been living in Beulah for 7 years now.
7 years.
So it seems like we almost moved in yesterday.
I know.
Other than the clutter.
I know. It's time to go through it.
so now we have the opportunity to throw out a bunch of
Put
things
half
as we move.
in the other one and half. We got twice the storage.
Yeah. So
now
anyway,
we'll never have anything when we need it.
Yeah.
It will always be in the other.
But we've been in Arizona for 5 years now, and we have been to very few things in Arizona. So the goal now is to start exploring a lot of these different things. We've been to all the states now. We at least touched our toe into all the states. But now we want to go to certain ones and really expand.
Spend a little longer
time there and kind of enjoy it. So we've got a lot of things to do still, and a lot of exciting ideas. We just haven't put them onto paper yet. And we use our trip wizard from RV Life to do all our mapping, so that's what we put on there. So if you look here, you can see that we did this 14,000 mile trip this summer, so that's what we were talking about.
2,000 extra.
Yeah, I did 2,000 more on this trip. So this was moving the diesel pusher from Wisconsin down to Yuma. So we've put some miles on
some gas
ourselves.
Oh, and diesel.
On ourselves this last summer. So there's a lot of things to figure out and kind of figure out. I know that some people have made comments to me too that some of the different full-timers are all moving into homes and things. We don't have any plans to do that, and so we're happy with what we got, and we're going to keep doing this stuff and traveling around. There's so many things. Yeah, there's so many things out there to see, and we just need to do it, and that's what we're doing. So we do appreciate you coming along. We appreciate everyone that supports us, whether you're subscribed to our channel, or you just give us a thumbs up, or just watching this video. All of those are great ways to support us. If you use our Amazon link or buy any of the different things that we're affiliates with, that's just an extra bonus. We do appreciate that too. So we just appreciate everybody. It doesn't matter how much you give, because you know what? Hey, we're retired. We're on a fixed income, so we know that not everybody has money just to throw away. So keep your hard-earned money. The ways
things through Amazon.
Ways to support us is buying things through Amazon or using our affiliate links to do things that you want to do. Then we get a little kickback on that. It doesn't cost you anything to do that. So that's what's the cool thing. And a lot of those things you actually save money on. So that's cool too. So
we always try to tell people the things we really like.
If we really like it, then we try to work out a deal where you can save money too. And we can't do that with everything, but we have some ones out there that are really nice to work with and things like that. Our best supporter, of course, is RV Life. They have been with us for the last 5 years now, and they just we're going to be up at Quartzsite here in January, so a couple more months we'll be working the big RV tent up there.
1 month.
For
1.5.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
We'll be working the big RV tent up there for RV Life. We really love them. We love their software, and we'll be doing some presentations and some rallies and things. So, that's how we come up with some of this extra money. We got a lot of money we're putting into this new rig.
Yeah. Money pit. Unexpected money pit.
But, in reality, though, we look back at how much it's costing us for solar, for example. And it's like a third of what I spent on the solar and everything that we did on Beulah. So things have really changed over the years. We're trying to get our internet going.
More
and things
connections
like that. So,
also.
So anyway, we just wanted to say thank you. We can't say thank you enough. So that's why we keep saying thank you. But we have really enjoyed all the things we've been able to do. And we've really enjoyed making videos for you so that you could follow along with us, because that's what's made it really fun.
We like to share our trips with everyone.
Yeah,
as long as they like it.
As long as you keep liking them, and we'll keep sharing them. So, but there's just so much out there. So again, hopefully you guys all have a great Thanksgiving also, and and then we'll just plan on seeing you down the road somewhere. And if we don't, then I guess we'll just see you on our next video. We got lots more coming.
Okay.
So we'll see you down the road.
Bye.